Here's how to use an Apple gift card through Apple Pay. Now, if you got a gift card for Apple, but you wanted to add it into your wallet and use it through Apple Pay, I'll walk you through the entire process and some limitations on doing so. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into the App Store here. This is where you can add in and load up that gift card. So let's tap on the profile button at the very top right. And then you'll be able to see midway down is redeem gift card or code. You can tap on that and basically just enter it in. You can either use the camera here or hit enter code manually, and you'll be able to enter in that code details to be able to add that as balance. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see if you hop out of here, we can see that it's been added to our wallet. So open up the Apple Wallet here. And you can see right here is Apple account. So I have a $5 balance on here. Now, keep in mind, this account has been added as $5 from a gift card, but there are some limitations on how I can and can't use that. So if I hop out of here and double click that side button, you can see I can select the Apple account to use that. However, there are limitations in what Apple will allow you to pay for this. So this is money, basically like a gift card to Apple. So same as any other gift card, if you got a gift card to Target, they don't let you use that on Amazon. Or if you got a gift card to Starbucks, you can't use that at any other coffee shop. So if you have that Apple gift card, even though it's in here and there's money on there, you can buy things like something at the Apple store, like headphones or accessories or a new iPhone or anything like that, or in-app purchases, but it has to be something that Apple sells themselves. You can't just go out and buy a cup of coffee with your Apple gift card because, again, any company that has that gift card wants it to stay within their company and be used for that company. So again, if you got a gift card to Target, you can't use it at Walmart and vice versa. So there are some limitations, but you can use it. Basically, if you go to an Apple store or something like that, you can use that double click to buy something from Apple itself, but you can't use any other payment method basically for your Apple gift card on any other store. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.